Hello YouTube, I'm back. So it's been a stressful semester for me, so I haven't been able to post as much as I'd like to, but I'll be posting this one video and hopefully I'll be able to post more videos. So this video is the beginning of a series that will be reviewing an exam for the AP Physics C Mechanics exam. So the AP Physics C Mechanics exam is coming up in May, so I'd like to get an early start with the review 3 months in advance, so let's get going. So this is problem 1 and 2 of, I believe, the 2018 exam. If I'm wrong, I'll correct myself, and I'll put the link into the description to the exam. I believe it has solutions, but not the reasoning for the solution, so I'll walk you through it. Okay, enough talking and more doing. So this is the graph for the velocity versus time of an object moving in a straight line. So here it starts off going like this. So take a second to read the graph and I'll cover the questions. So during which of the labeled segments is the object moving without acceleration? A, B, C, D, or E? So we have segment A, which is this segment going down, segment B, which is the flat thing, segment C is going up, D is here, E is here. I'm not a very good artist, so this isn't a very good diagram, but I think you can understand what's going on here. So during which of the labeled segments is the object moving without acceleration? Well, you may know that acceleration is, well, since this is a review, you will certainly know what acceleration is. Acceleration is the derivative of velocity with respect to time. So when there's no acceleration, this is equal to 0. And when it's 0, that implies that the derivative of velocity with respect to time is 0, meaning that it must be flat. However, the object must be moving as well. So the conditions for an object to be moving without acceleration is, well, without acceleration, this is the condition that you need to satisfy for without acceleration, but to move, you need a non-zero velocity, right? Because you can't move without velocity. So velocity just can't equal 0. So quite obviously, this segment D is eliminated right away because of the first condition where to move, you can't be 0 for velocity. Here, segment D, you're just frozen. So that's not going to work out. A, C, and E don't work either because, well, obviously the derivative of velocity with respect to time is non-zero at those points, and you really need it to be 0. So you need velocity to be flat. In this case, B is the only answer that will work. So that is our correct answer. Okay, oops. So B is our correct answer. Okay, so our next question is, the object has a speed of 2 meters per second at which of the following times? 1 second, 6 seconds, 9 seconds, 4 and 10 seconds, or 1 and 6 and 9 seconds. So at which times is the object speed 2 meters per second? Well, first of all, in order to understand this question, we have to understand the keyword speed. There's a difference between speed and velocity. So speed is the absolute value of the velocity, while velocity is quite literally just velocity. I'm using a different color because my other ones ran out of ink. So basically, this means that velocity can equal 2 or -2, and that will still satisfy the conditions for this problem. Therefore, it could be going downhill or uphill as long as the slope is 2. Or not slope, as long as the speed is 2. So that would mean that on the y-axis it has to be -2 or 2. So that would be here and here. I know that I didn't do a good job drawing this out, but know that this segment has a slope 2, which means that whatever's in between has to be 9, 2. And then same thing here, this has a slope of -2. So what's in between these points? Well, it has to be 1, comma, well, it's obviously -2 here. So therefore, oh wait, sorry. And then also this point here is also at -2. So E should be the correct answer because of the fact that speed is absolute value of velocity. That just has to be 2 or -2. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.